Student, today we are starting new topic, alkanes. Now, in this topic, first we will study the introduction. In this introduction, alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. This is the most important. Alkenes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated means they contain carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. So those organic compound contains carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond are called alkanes. So alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. Aliphatic means they are the open chain compounds. Saturated means they contain the carbon-carbon single bond. So alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. They contain carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. They having the general formula. Now this is the general formula. They are having the general formula CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula of alkanes. And these alkanes are also called as, another name of alkane is paraffins. So alkanes are also called as the paraffins. Alkanes का गुना होगा paraffins. Alkanes का general formula काय CnH2n plus 2. अल्केन्स मध्ये कोणकोणते बॉन्ड असतात कार्बन कार्बन आणि कार्बन हायड्रोजन सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड असतो आणि अल्केन्स कसे असतात अल्केन्स आर द सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अल्केन्स so for example this is the example CH4 which contains only one carbon atom is called the methane CH6 two carbon atoms CH3 CH3. Now in this example and this is general formula here two carbon atoms and 6 hydrogens from substitute here n is equal to 2. Now this n is equal to this 2 then this H 2 in place of n 2 plus 2 काय केलं आपण याच्या ठिकाणी जिथे जिथे यायचं आपण 2 ठेवलं so here from calculated is n is equal to 2 and it is n is equal to 2 into 2 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 6 therefore C2H6 दोन कार्बन आहे 6 हायड्रोजन C2H6 ethane so this is the formula for propane C3H10 C3H then for butane it is the C4H10 or the butane it is the C4H10 pentane C5H12 and C6H14 for the hexane. So these are the examples of some examples of alkanes. Okay. Now the next part is the methods of preparation of alkanes. The methods of preparation of alkanes. The first method is by the hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent म्हणजे काय? Grignard reagent म्हणजे alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is called the Grignard reagent. Now this on hydrolysis by using the water. Now this is the water. Now this is the Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide. This alkyl magnesium halide on hydrolysis with water will use now this MgX and this OH combined. So this MgX OH and this R and this H combined to form this alkane. So this is the formation of alkane. So when the methyl magnesium or alkyl magnesium halide hydrolyzed with water will give the alkane. Okay. For example, when methyl magnesium bromide hydrolyzed with this water is used methane. same reaction. This is the general reaction and this is the example. It gives the methane. Similarly, when ethyl magnesium bromide hydrolyzed with water, it gives the ethane. Ethyl magnesium bromide hydrolyzed with water, it gives the ethane. So these are the two examples for the hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Okay. So this is the first method for preparation of alkanes. The second method for the preparation of alkane is by Kolbe's method. Now this is the Kolbe is the name of scientist, and he discovered this method for the preparation of alkanes. Therefore, this method is called as the Kolbe's method. So in this method, alkanes are formed by the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salt of carbonic acid. Electrolysis of sodium or potassium salt of carbonic acid. Now this is the sodium or potassium salt of carbonic acid. That is the twice RCOONa. Now in this reaction, RCOONa, two molecules are taken. 2R, this is RR, 2 this CO2, 2 CO2, 2 Na. Now this 2 Na. Now this is the twice H2O, this is HOH. So this 2 OH and this 2 Na to form the 2 NaOH. What is remaining? The 2H, that is the H2 gas is liberated. So alkanes are formed by the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salt of carbonic acid. For example, when sodium acetate electrolytes, it gives ethane. Now these two molecules of CH3, 2 CO2, 2 Na and 2 Na, 2 OH from these two water molecules to form 2 NaOH, and remaining 2 hydrogens, that is the H2 gas is liberated. So in this way, by the Kolbe's method, alkanes are prepared. Okay. The next part of this topic is the chemical properties. The first chemical property is pyrolysis. So what is the pyrolysis? It is the most important property of alkanes. Pyrolysis. What is the pyrolysis? The thermal decomposition of alkanes. That is the thermal decomposition is these alkanes are heated at higher temperature. It's called the thermal decomposition of alkanes in the absence of air. Whenever alkanes are heated at the higher temperature in the absence of air, it gives lower alkanes. It gives lower alkenes and hydrogen. This reaction is called as the pyrolysis. This reaction is called as the pyrolysis. So whenever the thermal decomposition of alkanes in the absence of air, thermal decomposition of alkanes. Decomposition means it becomes different. That is the alkanes वेगळं होणं. Decomposition म्हणजे स्मॉल भाग तयार होणे, छोटे छोटे पार्ट तयार होणे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो डिकम्पोजिशन. थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन. आता थर्मल म्हणजे काय मग खूप हीट केल्यानंतर अल्केनचे वेगवेगळे भाग तयार होणे, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ अल्केन्स in the absence of air to give the lower alkanes, alkenes and hydrogen is called as pyrolysis. There is a question, what is the pyrolysis? So pyrolysis, whenever the thermal decomposition of alkenes in the absence of air, it gives the lower alkanes, alkenes and hydrogen for the pyrolysis. Now, whenever the pyrolysis takes place, it involves the breaking of CC, Whenever pyrolysis takes place, it involves the breaking of CC and CH bond to form the lower alkane and alkene. म्हणजे जेव्हा जेव्हा pyrolysis घडते त्यावेळेस काय होतं, त्या ठिकाणी ब्रेकिंग ऑफ कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड अँड ब्रेकिंग ऑफ CH बॉन्ड होतं आणि त्यावेळेस काय तयार होतं, लोअर alkane and alkene तयार होतं. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्रॅकिंग. Whenever the breaking of CC bond and CH bond takes place, then it is called the cracking. And it involves the breaking of CH bond. If it involves only the breaking of CH bond and to produce the alkenes, जर फक्त CH bond breaking होत असेल आणि alkenes तयार होत असेल तर आपण त्याला काय म्हणायचं, डिहायड्रोजनेशन असं म्हणायचं. So it involves the breaking of CH bond to produce the alkene is called the dehydrogenation. Now this is an example of pyrolysis of the alkanes. Now in the first reaction that ethane CH3CH3 on the thermal decomposition it gives the ethene. This ethene plus H2. Now in this reaction only carbon and hydrogen bond is breaking. It is the breaking of CH bond to produce the alkene. So it produces only alkene. So this is called the dehydrogenation reaction. So another example is the propane. When this propane is heated in absence of air, it gives the propene and H2 gas. In this reaction also only breaking of CH bond to produce the alkene. So only produce the alkene. So these two reactions are the dehydrogenation. These reactions are called the dehydrogenation reaction. And this reaction is called as the cracking. So this reaction is called the cracking. याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, in this reaction what happens, that carbon carbon bond and carbon hydrogen bond breaking is takes place. ह्या त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतो, हा CH2 इथला हा हायड्रोजन जो आहे हा हायड्रोजन पूर्ण इथे येतो आणि हा CH2 तयार होतो आणि हा इथे येऊन CH4 तयार होतो. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय झालं, हा CC बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला आणि हा कार्बन आणि हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला. कार्बन हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला, कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला. ज्या प्रोसेस मध्ये कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड आणि कार्बन हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, क्रॅकिंग असे म्हणतो. सो दिस इज द example of cracking, this is the example of dehydration, this is also example of cracking. And whole process whenever takes place in the absence of air, this is called the pyrolysis of alkenes. So this is the pyrolysis of alkenes. The next chemical property is the aromatization. Aromatization is this aldehyde compound is converted into aromatic compounds. Such process is called as the aromatization. Whenever the alkanes having more than 5 carbon atoms, more than 5 carbon, 6 or 7 carbon atoms get cyclized, cycle मध्ये किंवा रिंग फॉर्म होतो to benzene, get cyclized to benzene and it's on heating under 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure and 773 K in presence of oxides of chromium, vanadium, molybdenum on alumina. Oxides of chromium, vanadium, molybdenum on alumina. This reaction is called as the aromatization. What is the aromatization? Alkanes having more than 5 carbons get cyclized. These are the more than 5 carbons. Now these get cyclized to benzene and its homologates. When heating under 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure and 773 Kelvin in the presence of oxides of chromium, that is the chromium trioxide, vanadium pentoxide, molybdenum oxide on alumina, this reaction is called as the aromatization. Now for example, this N-hexane on heating at 770 Kelvin in the presence of chromium trioxide at 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure, it gives the benzene. So this is an example of aromatization. So this is the second chemical property of alkenes.